Hello friends, myself Chandra and welcome all of you in my channel Anytime Money. And now we today discuss for level of gold and Ethereum for 2nd of September. So last few days gold is continuous falling and now at very good support area. So firstly we draw the support level. What are the major supports? Support 1696, 1618. Just we draw that. So this is a one area 1693 to 96, and second area is that second it is around 1970, yeah, around 1975 to 1977. Next support if it is sustained above 90 for 2nd September, then it will go back, or if it is go down, it is go below that level, then definitely it will fall up to 1680 to 1678. Now we go back to again and draw some levels. So the next level is current based on the chart that at least around 1700. Next support, next resistance, sorry, next resistance is near 1710. So first we draw the levels. Yeah, this is the next level of 1715 to 1718, and one more area it is around 1700. If it is waited for small area, that if it is rejected from that area, so it will go again down, or if it is sustainable that area, so it will go up. That is a 1726. Now second one is, so always when you are trading by the support and resistance or price action stuff, so you always need to draw the levels based on the higher time frame. And when if you do for intraday or day trading, so if your chart time frame is 15 or 30 or 5 minutes, so your chart should be more than that levels drawn by the 1 hour chart or 4 hour chart in a higher time frame. It is not like that for 15 minutes you are going to trade or 15 minutes chart. So you draw the levels. Also I mentioned the levels in our video description in my channels, so you if you not understood anything here, so you can go for that area as well. This is the total, yeah. So this is the tomorrow's level, and if we down this to 1 hour or 30 minutes, so now it's switched to 30 minutes. So 30 minutes, if you check that one major support resistance we able to see, and that around 1700, because we look for day trading, so we always try to get the level based on the 15 minute or small 20 pip 30 pip 40 pips, not very 20 40 pips, much more than 100 pips target. Always go for small targets for a day trading. So if we go for a 30 minutes, so there is a one area their market is holding, that around this area 1701, and this is around 95 to 92. So always not, it is not like that in every levels you get the same difference. Sometimes you getting bigger or sometimes you getting smaller. So this is the levels for tomorrow. So you need to check that levels, always to go for targets, and that is the workload. And with some trend line, what our trend line is saying, if some trend is able to see that in very levels, so one trend is going this. Tomorrow maybe market is up to 1710, it will be a very good resistance in a day, or go for targets. We go right, what are the levels? So by the trend line you can also take those levels, depend on the, so that is 1682. So that is the level of our this gold. Now we go back to our Ethereum. Now we go back to Ethereum. So Ethereum's, firstly we draw our horizontal levels. That first level is 1423 at support area, 1423 to 2430. That is a one support area. And it is not necessary that you are, when you start trading, you are required some system, laptop or PC. Many people are asking that in trading we required PC or laptop. So that is the reason our video is based on the mobile. So how can you do analysis by the mobile? Because it is very easily available to everyone. And any strategy whatever you are following, if you understood, you can apply in a mobile as well as systems. So in trading, nothing is difficult if you understood the market behavior, market patterns, your price action, your indicator. If you done the practice very well, so that is a very good way to trade. And if you're not practice, people are searching for only strategies which is profitable. But I think so all strategies is profitable if you use in a very good manner, like our boom strategy that is giving 1800%. I have only candle mystery, no indicators, only based on candle, not by the candle patterns. Like look, everyone is looking for candle pattern. Also I have a blast strategy with some indicator and some mix up, that is also giving around 500% ROI. So all they depend upon your strategy, what you are using. You have confidence on your strategy. So firstly, always when you initiate your trading or start your trading journey, so not go for profits, only go for learning. And when you do that, you understood market, and first you understood the basics logics or basic terminology of trading, which type of trading is happening, what is your requirement. Like many people do scalping for 1 minute chart, many people doing swing trading, holding for 2 3 days. Some people are doing intraday, like same day they enter and same day exit. Some people go for a longer time frame, like long term trades, they hold the position for a very long. So it's first you understood that in trading, if you are what is the reason why you are come in a trading, and what is your requirement. It is not like that I am able to make money or someone other are making money by the trading, so you are also able to make the money, because your requirement is definitely different. And other person's thing is definitely 90% are different. Maybe only $10 $20 is very heavy risk for you, but someone is $1000 is nothing. So like Ethereum, we draw the levels. So now we discuss the Ethereum. Now we go back to 30 minutes. So if you check that in today, if market is sustained above 1600, cross that level and hold that level for a long, so it second target is 1640 to 50. 1640 50 is rejection. Rejection means if you got tail or you get very small lot in that, and market is go up and down, means tail size or wick size is very higher than body, then that is simply rejection. So it will, sellers are active at that area, so you go for a sell. Or if market is broken that area 1655 or 1660, it got come back and reject from that 40 to 50 level, 1640 to 1650, so next target is 1700. That is the main three. And in support side, if we check that first support at 1450, 42, 50, 30, and if it is broken, then it will, next target is 1470 to 80 is the next level. And if 1470 to 1480 is breaking, then next 732 to 23, that is the medium level. So this type of you need to analysis on your basis, that what are the levels, what are the positions you have to achieve. Main concern is your strategy. I'm not asking that you follow my strategy. I try to help out everyone by the giving the levels, what are the levels, and where you need to enter, where you need to exit, all the levels. And that's for Ethereum and gold for a 2nd of September. Now we go on our Telegram channels where we post today's levels and what are the results. So this is our signal channel where we post the levels based on our whatever we today discuss in video. The on that levels we post the levels. And if you check that 1st of September, that every day I only posting 2 or 3 signals. And rule is simple: if 3 stop loss hit, we not giving more than 3 calls in a day. So if you check September 1st, we giving first in 35 pips, around it is giving 50 pips. Second buy again we give that is 45 pips, around 95 pips it is giving for two yesterday. And first, sorry, yesterday, yeah, also giving for US oil, and that is giving around $80 with the 80 pips. So, and that these are the profits some clients are giving us to that screenshot, so I just share in it. And that is a basically for our students, so we very less people in a group, they are active and they doing trades. And that is one robot which we created and we tested earlier, and that's robot is giving around 100% ROI in 6 months. And that is currently run in a one account, and it is giving around 1380. By 16th August we go with this 16th August. And in 16th August, if you check that every day it is making profit, it is still now in a 13 days it is giving around 138%. That is the ROI for the our that daily scalp master rule. Correct, 138% within 13 days, averagely 10% daily, means $100 daily. Now we go back to another channel, that is a robot channel, robot performance. And if you check, that is $100 it is made for today, yesterday, sorry. And every day it is making around $100, at least 10% in a day, or not very much take trades, only 2 3 trades. And if you check that that is almost giving $1380. So 138% is not bad in a 13 days, and not very risky trades. That is very less trade but very accurate trades. Now you able to understood that how you can join us and you get the benefits. Also I have a one recently I started one community group where we post the levels with the chart. That is our other channel, that is active trader group, where if you check that all the levels posted with the chart, all the levels. That first level we go with 1700 to buying. And why it is given, that things are given, if you want to learn, so you go with learning sessions, and you get the access of those channels where all levels posted with the our particular analysis on a real time. And if you check that gold, first gold trade is giving around $35, $50 first gold trade. Second gold trade again we give, that is again giving around, if you check that 8, that is a one US oil we are giving, and US oil it is $150. That US oil, this one is a US oil chart. We go for a sell 1880.5 before market is reaching that level. So all are very frequent trades. You have enough time to enter and exit, and all the charts are given. So our target is minimum $100 to $200 in a day. Again we give in a evening for a crude buy level, and it is go around $80. So that these things you are getting. Also I have one channel where we go for live stream, that is 24 into 7 our live streaming is happening in this channel. If you are follow our, join us and you get all the accesses. And if you want our robot to test, so currently the offer is running for few slots is available, so we put into your demo account or test account, and you understood, then you go for a real account. So this setup is actually, in live streaming you are able to see for a gold and bitcoin, and it is also giving hardly 4 to 5 signals in a day. And check, it is very clearly giving the signals, all signals I marked, that is the signals and what is the responses. So every day it is giving around 100% ROI with 4 5 signals, and you join us and you get all the stuff. So that is our today's video. If you want anything very, comment on video section, you subscribe our channel, share with your friends. And we started our learning videos, and first video is very good, that I got more than 400 views with a very within 48 hours. So I understood that people are ready to learn, so I post another video in a few days. Come and join us and get everything if you want to earn serious. Thank you so much guys. Good day, take care.